Greetings, my fellow financial ninjas. So, today I thought I'm going to try something different. Normally, I come here, sit in front of the camera, and ramble on a topic. So, this time I thought I would do something different. What I'm going to do today is talk to a family that purchased their second house in the Bay Area. They bought a townhouse recently. They had purchased a one bedroom, one bath condo back in 2016. And in 2021, they ended up buying a larger townhouse, and they became first-time landlords. So I'm going to interview them on their experience. Yeah, we're going to do a walkthrough of their house, the condo. I'm going to do it in two parts. The first part is going to be a walkthrough of their condo, and the second part is going to be their house. So let me know what you think about it. If you like this new format, I may interview more couples or families or investors and talk to them, and maybe do some tours of their properties. So I hope you enjoy. All right, we are standing right here in front of Prashant and Ashwini's condo that they have put for rental. So we're going to take a brief tour of the condo and have a chat with them. So let's go right in.
Hello.
Hey, Manny.
Hey guys, how are you?
You're doing good. How are you?
Pretty good. Okay, so let's start with a brief introduction. So Prashant, go ahead.
Yes, my name is Prashant.
Hi, this is Ashwini. So I'm just gonna give you a brief tour of the house right now. So once you enter, we have the living room right here. Through the living room, we have a dining area right here with a small breakfast bar. Once you come here, we have a kitchen. We just remodeled it when we got the house. From here, we have a laundry area with plenty of storage. From there, if we walk this way, we have our bathroom with the sink and the bathtub. From this way, if you're going, here's our bedroom, along with a walk-in closet.
Nice.
We do have some patio area which you can access from from the bedroom.
Okay.
And the same area can be
Patio is
accessed.
accessible from the living room and the bedroom.
Oh, nice. This is pretty big.
Yep. It's a favorite area of the house.
Okay, so how long did you guys stay in this house?
So we purchased this house in December 2017.
Uh-huh.
So far, so that means about three plus years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay. And when did you purchase your new property?
we purchased in February, so the last month.
Oh, okay. So have you already moved?
Yeah, we did. We moved actually just last week.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So let's start. So how did you go about renting this place? What was the thought process behind it? Like instead of selling the place, why did you decide to buy it?
So there were a couple of things that we were thinking about before when we were like thinking of renting this place and buying the new place. The first point was if we are renting this place, then somebody else is paying for our mortgage while we are still having the property. So obviously our net worth is still improving. And even if we don't get a positive cash flow, or even if it's break even, your net value still continues to increase. And the last point that we were really thinking about is that now we are moving into a townhouse. So if we eventually decide on moving to a single family house, and if we ever do need a cash flow for that house for a down payment, we always have this option of getting rid of this house
Yes.
and immediately taking up that money from here to use for a down payment.
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
new
that
house.
makes sense. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so this will be our like a cash reserve for that down payment if we like to.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. In terms of the preparation for getting the rental ready, what were the steps that you took?
Yeah, so this is my first rental, so it's
Right.
it's a bit of learning curve, obviously, because I've been living as tenant in someone's house before, and this was my first time to be a landlord, right? So yeah, I would not say it's overwhelming because now there are a lot of tools and a lot of videos online available. And to be very honest with you, I did watch all of your videos, and a couple of those are actually focused on those rental properties, and
Right.
how to go about renting your properties, finding
Right.
tenants and everything. And so that helped me quite a lot because it gives you step by step guide. You don't have to do like 10 different videos to get the knowledge,
Right.
but it's just consolidated in a couple of one or two videos, and that's quite helpful. So,
Right.
so that's definitely step one. Second is use those tools. Those are online. So we use tools like Zillow, Apartments.com to put our ads on, and so the first ad actually as a landlord, the first ad is free. So we really took the advantage of.
Oh, nice.
So we
Free is always good.
Yeah, free is always good. Yes,
Another
yeah.
thing that I looked at is on Redfin or Zillow how they click pictures to make it more appealing to
Nice.
people who are
Yes,
trying
that
to
is very
rent.
important. Yes.
Because if people don't like the houses when they're seeing it in picture,
Yeah.
there's no way they're gonna come and look at those houses
Exactly.
in person.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that was one thing, and especially during these times when people just want to make sure that they're only seeing those properties that they really like
Yes.
during COVID.
Yes.
So you want to make sure that you are putting out your best foot forward to click the best pictures right now.
Yes, the pictures are very important. All my clients, I always tell them that make sure you take good pictures, because obviously when they look at those pictures, they are more motivated to actually look at
Yeah,
the house.
and that is your first impression, right?
Yeah,
Basically,
exactly.
So you even think about someone to go get in the car and visit the property and see it.
Yeah.
Right. So to motivate people to do that, you
Right.
gotta have really good pictures in
The
your.
other
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
was staging the house when people come in to see your house is
Right.
because we were still living in the house. So presenting it in a way so that it's neutral
Yeah.
design and not too personalized, so that they can imagine themselves living here.
Right.
If we have too much of personal things, when the tenants, future tenants are going to come and visit the place,
Right.
they cannot imagine themselves in that place.
Right.
So you have to make sure that the place is staged in a way that it's presentable and nice, but not too personalized where the tenant cannot imagine themselves
Yeah,
living
makes
in that
sense.
house.
Makes sense. So, how was the response overall from the potential tenants?
Yeah, so we were not expecting it, because especially in this COVID time that it will be
Right.
it will be that the ad will be that responsive actually, but luckily when we put it the ad was quite responsive. And the good part is that the Zillow gives you opportunity to put your ads on Trulians
Yes,
and others,
yes.
right?
Right.
So the basically response were coming from a couple of different sites, so that's
Right.
good. And so the next part was just to scheduling those people, right?
Right.
So in first day itself, I got like 5-6 people.
Oh, nice.
Reaching
Very
to me. And then it's just every day they're like 3 to 4 people reaching out to me and asking for appointments to
Yeah.
when they can see the property.
Okay.
And so for me, it's just of course balancing my office work, and then
Yeah.
making sure that I schedule the appointments as per their schedule, and so that part was there. But we were able to show house for a good 7 to 8 people, and that's where we stopped, because we know that whom we are going to go with
Right.
by then, because we were already getting their some of the information from them, which was helpful for us to basically shortlist a few candidates that we were going to go for.
Okay.
So, yeah.
What websites did you use for doing that credit check and all that?
So I did use apartments.com. So from apartments.com now, I think they now purchased the website recently. You probably know the name of that website that they purchased.
Cozy?
Cozy.com.
Yeah.
Yes. So but now apartment.com uses those
Okay.
Cozy tools to check the background, basically our tenants the applicant's background, credit score, and their rental history and residential history and employment history and everything. So you get quite a good clear picture about what
Okay.
type of tenancy you're getting into,
Right.
basis. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. Congratulations, guys.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
good luck. I hope you enjoyed that tour and the interview. In the part 2 of this series, I'm gonna walk you through their new townhouse and talk to them about their experience in purchasing their property. That's it for now. Goodbye.